Oh, thank you, Blue.
When I was like 12 years old, I discovered that wine was made with fermented grape juice. So I snuck into the kitchen and got a bottle of Welch's grape juice and thought, wouldn't it be so adult if I had a bottle of wine in my closet? And I checked on it every day to see if it had turned into wine yet, and then eventually just forgot about it. And then like a year later, I rediscovered it and thought, oh my God, there's a bottle of wine in my closet. And I thought, now is the moment. So I opened it up and it smelled disgusting. And I was like, are you ready to be an adult or not? So I put the bottle to my lips and this like disc of mold slid into my mouth. And I thought, I guess I'm not ready to be an adult.
Help!
Sweet mother of goose, Jack!
Well, you know what they say. Can't bake a pie without losing a dozen men.
Oh, that was horrible! Your wish is horrible! You're horrible! You're an irredeemable monster!
Whoa, what took you so long, idiot?
Well, thanks to you, Sammy won't go to sleep without watching Blue's Clues. I had to sit through it 20 times.
Oh, sorry about that.
Oh my God! You're Steve from Blue's Clues.
Yeah, it's okay, you're just dreaming.
I am?
Yeah, it happens to a lot of mothers. But don't worry, you'll wake up soon.
So you want to make out?
Yeah, sure.